Hey survivalists and outdoor adventurers, getting a great survival knife doesn't mean settling for the same old designs. For under $100, you can find blades with unique features that solve specific problems, all ready to ship from Amazon. Today, we're counting down 10 unique survival knives under $100. These aren't your standard picks. They have special features that make them stand out for specific tasks, and everyone is available to order right now. Let's check out these hidden gems. Number 10, the CRKT S.P.E.W. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the brilliantly conceived CRKT S.P.E.W, a knife that redefines the concept of a multi-tool by integrating your most critical non-cutting survival device directly into the handle. While many knives offer lanyard holes for attaching a separate whistle, the S.P.E.W eliminates the risk of losing that vital piece of gear by making the hollow polymer handle itself a fully functional, high-decibel emergency whistle. In a true survival scenario, where signaling for help can mean the difference between rescue and remaining lost, having an ear-piercing whistle permanently attached to your cutting tool is a game-changer. The knife itself is no slouch, featuring a durable 2.63-inch stainless steel blade with a drop-point profile suitable for general camp tasks, food prep, and fine carving work. Its compact size makes it perfect for pocket carry, neck knife duty, or as a dedicated backup in your pack's first aid kit. The included sheath is simple and effective. Number 9, the Schrade SCF37. A feature-dense survival system that delivers an astonishing amount of utility for well under $50. This is a knife that understands survival is about more than just a sharp edge. It's about fire, navigation, and having a tool that can handle brutal use. The foundation is a formidable full-tang blade crafted from 9CR18 MOV stainless steel, a Chinese-made steel comparable to 440B, offering good corrosion resistance and decent edge retention for its price class. The real uniqueness unfolds in the details. The heavy-duty polymer sheath doesn't just hold the knife. It securely houses a large, replaceable ferrocerium rod right on its face, complete with a dedicated striker, ensuring you always have a reliable fire-starting method at hand. Number 8, the Boker Plus VoxKnives Access Tool. A brainchild of renowned designer Gerber VoxKnives that reimagines the fixed blade for modern urban and tactical survival challenges. This knife shuns traditional organic curves for a stark, geometric aesthetic that is all about function. The thick, stone-washed blade is made from N690 stainless steel, a premium European steel known for excellent corrosion resistance and good all-around performance. The uniqueness is baked into its geometry. The tip is reinforced and ground into a capable pry bar, perfect for prying open crates, doors, or scraping without fear of snapping a delicate point. At the guard, a perfectly sized bottle opener is integrated, turning a moment of needed leverage into a useful feature. Number 7, Gerber Principle. A folding knife engineered to bridge the gap between the portability of a folder and the unwavering strength of a fixed blade. The heart of this innovation is Gerber's proprietary Principle lock. Unlike a standard liner lock or frame lock, this mechanism employs a massive, machined stainless steel bar that slides laterally across the full width of the knife's back when open. This bar physically blocks the blade from closing, creating a mechanical connection so solid it inspires confidence for tasks typically reserved for fixed blades, such as light battening for kindling or forceful prying. The 3.6-inch blade is crafted from 7CR17 MOV steel, a reliable mid-tier stainless that balances edge retention and ease of sharpening. The handle is glass-filled nylon, offering a good grip and durability for the everyday carrier, the backpacker with weight restrictions, or the individual who wants a single knife to cover both daily tasks and potential survival situations without sacrificing safety. Number 6, the Cold Steel Fin Wolf. A knife that uniquely delivers a specific, high-performance Bushcraft feature set at an astonishingly accessible price point. The star of the show is its blade grind, a true Scandinavian or Scandi grind. This is a single, wide bevel that extends from the spine down to a razor-sharp zero-ground edge. This geometry is prized by woodcraft enthusiasts because it excels at controlled wood carving, slicing, and creating fine feather sticks for fire starting. It essentially behaves like a woodworking chisel. Finding this premium grind on a budget folder is rare. Paired with this exceptional blade is Cold Steel's legendary Triad lock, arguably the strongest locking mechanism on the market, which ensures the blade will not accidentally close under heavy pressure. The blade steel is AUS 8A, a solid performer known for being tough and easy to field sharpen. The handle is textured polypropylene for a secure grip. For the aspiring bushcrafter on a budget, the backpacker who values wood processing capability, or anyone who wants to experience the superior carving performance of a Scandinavian grind without investing in a custom fixed blade, the Finn Wolf is a uniquely focused and incredibly valuable tool. Number 5. The Morakniv Kansbol, a masterstroke of practical engineering from the Swedish cutting experts. This knife features a patented multi-grind blade system that effectively gives you two specialized tools in one. The front 2/3 of the blade feature a robust, shallow-angle grind. This creates a thicker, stronger edge geometry that is ideal for more demanding tasks like battening wood, splitting kindling, and general heavy-duty cutting, where edge durability is more important than surgical sharpness. As the blade approaches the handle, the grind transitions dramatically to a much thinner, sharper, low-angle secondary bevel. This section is optimized for precision work, delicate carving, feather sticking, skinning game, and food preparation where a keen, slicey edge is required. This intelligent design means you don't have to compromise or carry two knives. The Kansbol dynamically adapts to the task at hand. Made from Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel, known for its excellent balance of toughness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. Number 4. The SOG Pillar, a knife that embraces a minimalist, utilitarian philosophy to deliver unique value and customization. Instead of coming with permanently attached handle scales, the Pillar presents you with its bare, skeletonized, full-tang blade made from 5CR15 MOV stainless steel. This open-frame design is exceptionally strong and reduces weight significantly. The genius and uniqueness lie in its intended use. You are meant to wrap the tang with paracord. This serves three critical survival-oriented purposes. First, it allows you to create a custom, ergonomic handle that fits your hand perfectly. Second, and most importantly, that paracord, typically 10 to 15 feet of it, becomes a stored component of your survival kit. In an emergency, you can unwind it for building shelters, setting snares, securing gear, or creating a tourniquet. Third, this design philosophy keeps the cost down, passing the savings on to you. It comes with an excellent mall-compatible hard sheath. For the survivalist who loves to tailor their gear, who understands the paramount importance of cordage in the wild, and who appreciates a strong, no-frills platform. Number 3. The ESEE Knives RB3, a knife whose entire design ethos is built around a unique and specific use case. Seamless integration into a kit that includes a firearm, whether for hunting, tactical, or professional use. From the esteemed ESEE brand, renowned for its indestructible 1095 carbon steel blades and unbeatable warranty, the RB3 features a slim, streamlined spear point blade. This profile is intentionally designed to minimize snagging when drawn, a critical factor in high-stress situations. However, the true masterpiece and unique differentiator is its world-class sheath system. This sheath isn't an afterthought. It's a precision mounting platform engineered to attach securely to maul webbing, belts, or, most notably, the shoulder straps of a chest rig or plate carrier. This positions the knife's handle for a natural, cross-body draw that keeps it accessible without interfering with the draw stroke of a holstered pistol or the management of a rifle sling. For the hunter who needs quick access to a knife while keeping their firearm shouldered, the law enforcement officer, or the serious prepper who practices integrated kit drills, the ESEE RB3 offers a uniquely thoughtful and purpose-driven carry solution that prioritizes fluid, unencumbered access above all else. Number 2. The Gerber TDI Investigator, a knife with a uniquely specialized and singular purpose. to serve as an accessible, last-ditch tool for personal defense in extreme close-quarters encounters. Designed by a veteran law enforcement officer, its radical design is a direct response to the problem of weapon retention during a physical struggle. The blade is a short, brutally effective curved slash point made from 1095 Crowvan steel. The handle is a hooked, ergonomic shape that, when gripped correctly in a hammer or ice pick grip, locks into the web of your hand, making it extraordinarily difficult for an assailant to strip it from you. Its compact size and flat profile allow it to be worn comfortably and discreetly inside the waistband. Number 1. Boker plus Bushcraft Micarta. And finally, our number 1 unique pick is the Boker plus Bushcraft Micarta, a knife that stunningly combines old-world bushcraft soul with modern manufacturing precision, all at a price point that feels like discovering a secret. What makes it uniquely special is its ability to deliver the experience of a high-end, artisan-made Scandinavian pucko without the custom shop price or wait time. The heart of the knife is its beautiful 01 tool steel blade, a carbon steel beloved by purists for its ability to take a phenomenally sharp, refined edge with ease and its legendary toughness. The blade features a flawless, true Scandinavian grind, optimized for woodcraft. The handle is where the magic continues. It's crafted from rich, contoured green canvas micarta, a material that feels warm in the hand, provides a supremely secure grip even when wet, and develops a unique patina over time. The fit and finish are exceptional, with perfect transitions and a polished spine for striking a ferro rod. It comes with a handsome, functional leather sheath and a matching ferrocerium rod.